Here at Welshpool, our fabrication team can basically fab anything your heart desires. We can go from a small bracket through to a complete chassis repair. We also have a dedicated cab rebuild centre, so we're able to take up to 6 cab rebuilds at a time. This solution has been terrific for our customers in saving on average $100,000 per cab, and is able to give the customer the latest updates and upgrades as required in that space. Literally any machine that Caterpillar has made previously or currently, we can look after here at Welshpool. We have dedicated specialists for each machine that really take the time to ensure that the quality coming back out of the Welshpool Rebuild Centre is second to none, meaning that the mean time to repair and mean time between failure when these machines go back to site is reduced. We collaborate with our customers to ensure that what we're delivering is what they actually need. We're able to ensure that the customer receives the service and parts that they desire at a cost point that suits them.